Welcome to your first screencast for the 21st century classroom. In this screencast, I'm going to show you how to create a small group in Edmodo. Here you can see that I'm inside a group. This is our group. And what you see over here on the left is the location where all of the groups that you are part of are located. Currently, our 21st century classroom has several small groups representing each week of the class. In order to create additional small groups, or first small group, we're going to come over to the group management area on the right hand side, and you'll see this Manage button. Go ahead and click that, and it will bring you into the group management area. Here we see all the members of the group, as well as a list of the small groups on the left-hand side. We're going to come down here and click on Create Small Group. Once you click Create Small Group, a pop-up window comes up, and now you can type in a name for your small group. Finally, once your small group is created, you're going to go through and choose members from the larger group to be part of the small group. You may choose all or whichever select members you want to include. Once you've decided who you're going to include in the small group, you may do one at a time, or you may do several at a time by holding down Shift or holding down the Command key, the Control key on a PC, and selecting one additional name to the group. If you want to deselect somebody, you can click with the Control key on a PC or the Command key on a Mac and deselect that person. Once you have the people that you want, you add them into the small group by clicking on the double arrow to the right, and they are now part of the small group. There's nothing that needs to be saved. It's a completed action at that time. Now to return to our main Edmodo page, we click on the Edmodo logo in the top left, wait for the page to load, and here we see our small group is now part of our list of groups in the lower left-hand window. To send a message to the small group, as opposed to everybody, you can click up here where you would choose from among the 5 options. The default is Note. Type in your note, and then in the Send To window, you could type 21st century and scroll down to choose Small Group Test. Or you could type in small and it will come up as one of the options. Once your message is selected and your group is selected, you can choose whether you're going to attach a file, a link, or an item from your library, and finally hit send. Note the message does not appear in this stream because this is our overall group stream. Instead, we need to go to the small group test, and we see our note appear there. And that is the science of creating a small group in Edmodo.